Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. How's everybody doing? Let's make some tea. But you know what? Let's boil some water. Alright, so you have George Home 1.7L liters cordless kettle. Alright. Okay. Oh, basin aside. Interesting. Alright, so let's see the base. What's the base? Oh, there you go. That's the base. What's this? Oh, okay. Alright. You have a base. Okay. What's this? UK plug? Oh man. Ah, so UK plug, huh? UK plug, no problem. Adapter, universal adapter. We'll solve that. What do you have again? Some sort of plastic baggie. What's in there again? Oh, the heater. And yeah, that's about it. So place this. How do you do this? Alright. Is it good? Alright, so you rest this down. Oh yeah, alright. This comes through here. Press this down. Alright, so let's just go wash inside of this thing. I'm going to give it a rinse out. And that's about it. Before I start using it. So now that you give the kettle a wash, you can place the kettle back. Oh, there's some sort of stabilization front. Right there. Okay. Oh, you have something else. I'm going to give this a wash up also. Alright, so this thing is going, well, there are instructions, you know. There are instructions. Why not take the instructions? Let's see. This you should have. Alright, there it is. There it is right there. Okay. Let's see. Come on. It should be going somewhere like this. Like this. I really don't know how it's going in. I really don't know. Huh? That's why you watch instructions. So, after some research, we were on the right track, but we just didn't have the technique. And that's how it's coming this way. Let's place it like this. And it's attached right there. Alright, so let's pour some water in. That's about enough. It's enough. And this thing is there to save the day. So save my day. Ta-da! The switch isn't working. Does this thing have any indicator that it's on? I don't think so. And we wait. So we had a little situation. Switch. How dare you not put on the switch, man? You need to put on the switch. And the switch is found at the back. Right there. See? See the switch right there? The switch right there. Go up, go down. Alright? So it's on right there. You happy now? Huh? You happy now? Huh? 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 Instructions, baby. So we wait again. So we had a little situation with the UK adapter. So I had this UK adapter sitting around for a while, you know. This thing. And you have a little switch. A little compartment here you can open and remove the switch. So yes, we had a little problem. With the UK stuff, I had to check my fuse. Well, this thing had been sitting around for a while. And I did not check the fuse. And I'm like, what's going on with my kettle? So we change up the switch, the fuse. It's not difficult to change the fuse. If you have a situation like this, you turn this thing like this. Here's the fuse right here. You understand? And then you screw it back like this. And you're good to go. So we're going to plug it back in action. Because I'm like, I'm boiling this stuff, but this thing is not lighting up. But now we are ready for action, baby. We're ready for action. And this thing hits up quick enough. Here we go, boiling, baby. Ooh. So if you have these adapters, don't be fooled, they do have switches. They have fuse. You have some switches to change what type you would like, what type of country plug. Right here. And you also have a fuse underneath. So don't just toss it away real quick. Go down to your hardware store, get you some fuse, and you'll be back up and running, baby. It's done. So it is quick enough. It goes off automatically, as you can see. But trust no electronics, man. Always check. Don't put it on and go to bed. Okay. What do we have here? We have some sorrel and ginger. We're going to try some sorrel and ginger. Tea bag. See the point? You drop this in there. Smells good, this thing. Smells good. Smells good, man. Smells good. So, you drop your tea bag and you pour the goodness. Right there. Diffusing this. Diffusing this. Diffuse, baby. So, yes. Now you can sweeten with honey or sugar, baby. I mean, you sweeten how you like, how you want. You know, you get you a teaspoon of that good honey bun. That honeycomb, that honey structure. And you sweeten your tea. And guys, that's about it. That's the kettle. Have fun out there.